The best AI assistant for Odoo isn't in Odoo. And if you're using one that lives inside your ERP, you've already capped what it can do for you. Every ERP is racing to bolt AI into the product. Odoo's done it, NetSuite's done it, every other major ERP is doing it. And these tools aren't bad, but they're working against three major problems. First, the AI inside any ERP is a cost-optimized model. Vendors can't afford to embed the best AI in the world when they're running it for hundreds of thousands of different users. Second, the AI inside any ERP can only do what someone pre-configured it to do. It's a fixed menu. And third, the AI inside any ERP can only see what's inside that ERP. Ideally, an AI is just like another employee. You should be able to ask it questions about anything in your business. Here's the sad thing. Those three problems are not likely to go away entirely at any point for AIs that are directly inside of an ERP. Which brings me to the point of this video. We want an awesome AI assistant, and we want it to be able to talk to Odoo. So let me show you what I found that works amazingly well for this. And for those of you that don't know, I help people in Odoo all day, every day. It's what I do. And this tool I'm about to show you has changed how I work more than anything else in the last few years. It's the closest I've gotten to what I think AI should be. So whether you're an Odoo user, a partner, or anyone else connected to Odoo, you're going to want to pay attention. So here's our first use case. It's a fairly simple one, but again, it's not something that you could do with Odoo's AI natively. So what I'm going to have it do is reach into my Gmail and say, okay, who do you have conversations with that you should have opportunities for? It's going to then look into Odoo and say, oh, is there an opportunity for this contact? If not, let's go ahead and create a new one. So the agent that we're using is Opus 4.7. Claude is amazing at understanding Odoo these days. And it has all the connections that I need. Claude is always adding new stuff. And the tool that I'm using to connect this into Odoo is called Pantalytics. I'm going to have a link for it in my description and in the top comment. If you sign up with the code that I've provided, you get the first 2 months free, which is crazy. You're going to be addicted to it by then. So hopping back into Claude, let's start by building our data set. We're going to say, can you look through my Gmail and find any customers or potential customers that I should have an opportunity for in Odoo, but don't. Okay, we're going to let that spin for a bit and get us a list of all those different customers. So I let it scrub for a few minutes and it pulled out 4 different groups for me. And you can tell I'm not very great at keeping up my CRM, so this is a great thing for me to do. So what it's saying is it's asking me if I want to create opportunities for my existing customers, create partners for them and all of that stuff, and then create leads for everyone that should have leads. I'm going to say, yes, please go ahead and build that out in Odoo. Please make sure that the opportunities have any details you think would help me act on these opportunities. And just so you know, I have no opportunities right now, so we're going to see what all it builds out. And you guys may already be thinking about this, but I could just walk away while it's doing all of this and I'll come back and it'll be finished. So I went outside, got some fresh air, and came back, and let me show you what we've got. I now have 28 different leads based on what was in my email. It's grouped these into specific stages, and I can go in and I can see all the details. It's created the contacts. I mean, this is some really good work. And I really didn't even have to do anything except direct it. To me, this is definitely what the future of AI, especially for businesses, should be. You still have to do a little bit of the thinking and directing, but it can reach into all your tools. It can help you take care of any of that busy work. And this is really just one example of what this tool can do. I've had it clean up reports for me, build automations, add views to the portal so that my customers can interact with different information. I've had it build out pieces of code, add to views. It's done so much, and it has literally changed the way that I work inside of Odoo. All of this because of a simple tool that allowed me to tie into Claude's intelligence and Claude's additional connections. So if you want an AI assistant that actually can help you in meaningful ways, this is it. Like I said, the guys over at Panalytics have been kind enough to give my users 2 months free. That's pretty incredible, and like I said, you'll likely be addicted at the end of that. But if you want to check it out, the link is in the description and in my top comment below.